Oh man, did you see that blow up? So about a year ago, I set out to make my very first YouTube video. And it is windy out here. The idea for this YouTube channel started about a year ago when I had the idea for this video. I was wondering if it was possible to hand make your own lure, specifically a topwater bait called a popper. So that's what I'm gonna do this week. I am going to hand carve a popper, and by the end of the week, I'm gonna fish it and see if I can't catch a bass. To start, I'm gonna take this dowel, I'm gonna shape it up using a sander, spray paint it. I should probably be using an airbrush, but I've never airbrushed before and I don't own an airbrush tool. After that, waterproof it, attach the hooks, and then catch a fish. Wish me luck. I was able to get the popper made. It turned out pretty good actually. So without further ado, here is the finished product. Boom. Basically cut the dowel, painted it, got a little cool eye action, just bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay, no, this is not it. But here's actually the finished popper. There it is. I'm actually really proud of this. I think that it turned out pretty good. So I am concerned that it is a little light. It will definitely float, but I was hoping that the tail end would sink just a little bit, kind of give it a little bit better action in the water, but there's no reason why this shouldn't catch a fish. I'm pretty sure that it would. So I actually did make a second good one of these because this one's a bit big. So I'm actually gonna fish this one, the dowel, and the other, and see which one catches the most fish, or if any of them catch a fish. Just so happens the first day you can officially fish for bass, there's a cold front. It's cold. It's very cold, actually. It's the coldest day that it's been so far in the last like 2 weeks. And in fact, at least in my area, it's gonna be snowing later today. And then tomorrow it's gonna be raining. Then I have work. And those days are actually supposed to be pretty nice. It's sunny with, 70-degree weather. Not the best situation for me to test out these poppers yet. Wish me luck. 5:45 a.m. Didn't even realize that it was this bright this early. Holy moly. That's the popper that I made. I figured today, if any today, this would be the day that it's gonna work because it's overcast, it's gonna be raining, it's early in the morning. This is as good as it's gonna get. If it doesn't work today, then I'm gonna have to postpone this for about a month. Fingers crossed. Hopefully this works today. There was some interest there. Came up and took a look. Come on. feel super embarrassed even tying this thing on. It's so ridiculous. Okay, try out the smaller guy. I mean, the colors and the action are perfect, so I don't think this wouldn't catch. It's just, oh yeah, right there. Come on. I know you're there. There's a bass that is just murking these little bait fish as they come out of this tunnel. There, got one. Drag is so low. Oh, that was a good jump. Oh yeah, it's on the homemade popper, guys. Look at that. Oh, I'm so stoked. Got a bass on a homemade popper. Let's get this hook out. .91. Yes. Oh my God. Come on. Come again. Oh man. Did you see that blow up? Okay, the reason why I probably missed that is, take a look at these hooks. They're like stacked on top of each other and attached in the most ridiculous way. Okay. The bass are crushing it right now, and I am about to blow up the spot because I can't get the world's worst lure unstuck. Say I cut it and come back. What a shame. We did it. I mean, relative success. So, I'm just getting home now. I think I was out there for about 2 hours today. I've tried a few times before. Conditions today were just basically perfect if I was gonna catch one this early in the season. So if you're gonna catch a bass early in the season like this on top water, the conditions have to be basically what they were today. Not to get into too many specifics, but with the new moon just being a few days ago, the temperature, these air temperatures, low to mid 60s, water temperatures pretty close to the same. There was overcast, the barometer was going up because it was raining today. I mean, the conditions were just about perfect. And sure enough, I ended up getting that one on the homemade popper. I was even surprised that I got a bite on the world's worst popper. Bet you though, had I had more time, I could have got one on that thing. Maybe in the future we'll try fishing the world's worst popper again. But otherwise, I'm gonna count this one as a success. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching this episode. If you have any suggestions for future videos, go ahead and drop those in the comments, as well as a thumbs up if you liked it. Send it off to a friend, and as always, please subscribe. That means a lot to me, and I will see you next time. No, backwards isn't really where I want to be going with this.